middle of Main Street, USA. I'm walking right down Main Street, USA. It's the heartbeat of a holiday. Just hear that big brass band. They made it a fantasy land. I'm walking right down the middle of Main Street, USA.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are the Dapper Dans of Main Street.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, you know what? We are the best barbershop quartet in a 2-block radius. Yeah. We're here to sing for you. You're here to listen to us. And boy, do I hope we finish first.
My little
Margie, I'm always thinking of you, Margie. I'll tell the world I love you, don't forget your promise to me. I have bought out for Margie. Believe in my inspiration, days are never blue. After all is said and done, there is really only one. Oh, Margie, Margie is you. On her coming island, Roxport she would play. You can see her on the boardwalk every day. Soap suds all around, little bowls on the ground. Rub, 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 giggles, love all those tunes she's found. Dimples on her fingers make some noise. Play Charleston on the walk before the boys. She can right through these, a brand new tale of DVDs. On Broken Island, watch for around the lake. On her 20 island, watch her to the play. Take it, see the road for my every day. Take it, so turns all around, the rolls on the ground. Take it, love all the things she's found.
Take it.
It's on the perfect show.
I'll take it back.
Right through the leaves of a brand new pair of DVDs on Hercules Island, watch for Ronda Lane. Hey, hey, Hercules Island, watch for Ronda Lane. On the island,
The Dapper Dans would like to continue our show by singing a song for you that we wrote ourselves by Irving Berlin. That's right, it's a beautiful love song simply titled, How Can I Miss You If You Won't Go Away?
Then after that lovely number, we're gonna go with one of my favorites. It's a beautiful classic titled, She Once Dated a Pirate with a Wooden Leg, but later broke it off.
Snappy tune.
Yeah.
Hey, how about a real song? A real
What?
thing? And I'm looking right over here, Tony's Restaurant. Tony's famous for a beautiful song. It's called Bella Notte.
Bella Notte,
Which is Italian for...
Bella Notte.
This makes it Italian.
Sorry, I meant translate it to English. Come on,
Oh,
Tony's.
wow, okay, well, Bella means beautiful.
Right, beautiful song.
Beautiful nachos.
That's it?
Yep.
That's Tex-Mex.
That's not it.
That's not Italian.
Oh, Italian.
Yeah.
Beautiful meatball.
That's the one. Okay, here we go. This is the night, a beautiful night, and the cold Bella Notte. Look at the stars, they're stars in their eyes on this lovely Bella Notte. Side by side with your loved one, find it shining. On night will we
clap your hands.
Just checking.
Good job.
If you're happy
And you know it, lick your nose.
hard to tell.
No, clap your nose.
If you're
Happy
happy
and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, give us $1.
No?
and many more.
I got nothing over here. Nothing over
We
here.
all got nothing, didn't we? On top. Nothing here, nothing there.
Nothing.
Okay. These folks are miserable, but I know how to cheer them up, guys. How about we sing their favorite song?
Which one is that?
The last one.
Oh.
One of our favorites too. Come on, boys. Here we go. It's called Super Cow. Here we go.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Even though the sound of it is something quite atrocious, if you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Please take note of how they whistle while they work. Good job, fellas.
It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small, small. Who's the leader of the Columbus Great Career?
Clap along!
MSTKYMOUSD. Hey there, hi there, hold there, yours, welcome and
Louder!
MSTKYMOUSD. Mickey Mouse.
Jump, jump!
Mickey Mouse.
Jump, jump!
Forever let us hold our banner high. Come along and sing a song and join the Dapper.
Well, thank you so much, everybody. Now remember, if you enjoyed our show, we are the Dapper Dans of Main Street.
And if you didn't enjoy our show, we are the Vienna Boys Choir.
Oh, we'll sing you a little song and it will be long about so long, so long. Have a great day, everybody.
Bye.
Go get in line somewhere.